Next is of humoral immune response. Humoral immune response in our body, different types of antibodies formed by the specific lymphocytes, and if the antibody gives the response against a foreign protein, that is known as humoral immune response. So two types of cells present in our body, that is beta lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Beta lymphocytes produce antibody in our body against the foreign protein or foreign pathogen, and T lymphocytes help the B cells to produce antibody, and such type of immune response is known as humoral immune response. Whenever our body prepare antibody against the pathogen or against foreign protein, that is known as humoral immune response. Another one is of CMI, cell mediate immunity. CMI or cell mediate immunity or cell mediate response. It is seen during the transplantation of the different organs. When we transplant the kidney, heart, or any other organs from one person to another person, that time specifically the T lymphocytes help in the accepting or rejecting the particular organs, and that help in the identifying the self organ and non-self organ. Suppose in any person liver is transplant, that time our body can recognize self organ and नॉन सेल्फ ऑर्गन. अगर उस बॉडी को बाहर से कोई ऑर्गन दिया गया है तो वो उसको रिजेक्ट कर देगी, एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पाएगी. उस जगह पर वहाँ पर एंटी मीन्स दैट लीवर इज कम फ्रॉम एनी अदर पर्सन, दैट इज द फॉरेन पार्ट, फॉरेन प्रोटीन, एंड बॉडी विल रिजेक्ट. स्पेशली द टी सेल्स हेल्प इन द रिजेक्शन एंड acceptation of the particular organs. That time different types of medicines provided to the patient also. तो T cells जो होती है, दो तरह की सेल्स होती है, दैट T किलर सेल्स एंड T हेल्पर सेल्स. T किलर सेल्स एंड T helper cells. T killer cells that reject the foreign organs and T helper cells accept the particular organs. So before that many tests also performed by of the particular patients, due to which that organ will be accepted by the body or not. At that time many immunosuppressant medicine provided to the patient, due to which the T cells cannot identify the नॉन सेल्फ ऑर्गन, यानी जो ऑर्गन बाहर से लिया जा रहा है, दैट इज नॉट द पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. इफ द ऑर्गन विल ट्रांसप्लांट, द टी सेल्स विल बी आइडेंटिफाई एंड रिजेक्ट. अगर रिजेक्ट होगी तो पेशेंट की डेथ हो जाएगी. सो दैट्स वाई मेनी इम्यूनोसप्रेसेंट मेडिसिन प्रोवाइड टू द पेशेंट्स, ड्यू टू विच दे कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई द नॉन सेल्फ ऑर्गन. तो यहाँ दो तरह की सेल्स होती है, किलर सेल्स विच रिजेक्ट द ऑर्गन्स एंड helper cells that accept the particular organs. If at any stage of that life, if the particular cells or these antibody can identify this is the not my organ, my body part, at them that will be reject and the patient death will be there. So these are the different types of antibodies which is formed by the B cells and T cells, which accept or reject the foreign protein or foreign parts. What is the structure of antibodies? Antibodies normally made up from the two chains. One is of heavy chains and another is of लाइट चेन, दो चेन से एंटीबॉडी का फॉर्मेशन होता है, दैट इज ऑफ H2L2. दिस इज ऑफ लाइट चेन एंड दिस वन इज ऑफ हेवी चेन. लाइट चेन और हेवी चेन में दोनों होती है. इन दोनों के बीच में बॉन्ड्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, इसलिए दोनों अटैच हो जाती है. एंड हियर some site is there, that antigen binding site, antigen binding site. So two light chain and two heavy chain is there. Light chain and two heavy chain is there. The inner side two heavy chain is there. These are the two light chain. On light chain and heavy chain, that antigen binding site is there, which that will be bind up with the foreign protein and albumin receptor rejection of the different types of foreign protein. This is the structure of antibody. In human beings, there are different types of antibody is there. Mainly 5 type of antibody present inside the human beings. That is first one is of IgG. IgG antibodies, it is maximally present, that is of 75% to 80% IgG antibody present in human being. It protect from fungi, bacteria, and toxins से ये बॉडी को प्रोटेक्ट. दिस रिसीव फ्रॉम द प्लेसेंटा. दिस IgG एंटीबॉडी रिसीव फ्रॉम मदर प्लेसेंटा. Through the placenta from the mothers. It is responsible for RH factor in blood. RH factor in blood. Second type of antibody is of IgA. That is of second type of antibody. It is present 10 to 15% of the total antibody, second largest, and secreted through mucus containing parts, just like in mouth, gastrointestinal tract, tears, इनमें सभी के अंदर यही, लंग्स के अंदर है, सेलाइवा के अंदर है, यही IgA एंटीबॉडी होती है. इट इज ऑल्सो फाउंड इन कोलोस्ट्रम, दैट इज मदर मिल्क, फर्स्ट मदर मिल्क कोलोस्ट्रम. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ एंटीबॉडी दैट इज ऑफ IgM, जो कि इससे इसकी क्वांटिटी कम होती है. इट इज अबाउट 5 to 10%. That is of IgM. It is produced first encounter, means it is produced whenever first encounter of the pathogen is there. First encounter of pathogen. जब भी पैथोजन का फर्स्ट एनकाउंटर होता है तब इसका प्रोडक्शन होता है. एंड इट इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन, ABO ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन. Responsible for ABO blood transfusion. Fourth type of antibodies, that is of IgE. Fourth type of antibodies. It is least antibody, सबसे कम होती है एंटीबॉडी, 0.2% के आसपास होती है. Involved in allergic reactions. involved in allergic reaction, and last is of IgD, but their function is still unknown. So these are of 5 type of antibodies there: IgG, IgA, IgM, IgA and IgD antibody present in the human being, that is produced by the B cells and T cells. Next topic is of vaccination and immunization. Through vaccination, our body protect from the different types of diseases, and that process is known as immunization. Vaccination, that is providing of vaccine to the particular person, that is of vaccination, and through vaccination our body protect from the different type of disease, and that process is known as immunization. What is vaccine? What it contain? Vaccine contain weakened or dead microbes of the particular pathogen. वैक्सीन में वीक या डेड माइक्रोब्स होते हैं. Whenever vaccine will be inserted or a particular person, it gives primary response. Primary response, and our body prepare the particular types of antibody against the particular vaccine or against the particular type of dead microbes. Whenever in future the same microbes attack the particular person, that times our body gives secondary response, that is of intense response, in which it is of memory based, because our body have already the particular types of antibody, and that antibody that can kill their pathogen, and this through this process we can strong our immune system, we protect our body from the different types of diseases. Scientists prepare different types of vaccines, that is of tetanus, diphtheria, polio, smallpox, and these different types diseases, especially smallpox and polio, eradicate from the society by the providing of these different types of vaccines. One is of things, that is passive immunity. Passive immunity. What is the passive immunity? Passive immunity, the type of immunity in which our body do not do any work, जिसमें बॉडी को कोई विशेष तरह की एंटीबॉडी प्रिपेयर नहीं करनी पड़ती है, उसको पैसिव इम्यूनिटी करती है. एट दैट टाइम व्हेनेवर वी रिक्वायर प्रिपेयर्ड एंटीबॉडी फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड, such type of antibodies, such type of immunity is known as passive immunity. जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा ही बाहर से कोई ऐसी मतलब अपनी बॉडी एंटीबॉडी प्रिपेयर करे. कुछ कंडीशंस ऐसी होती है जिसमें बाहर से रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडी प्रोवाइड की जाती है, जिससे कि बॉडी को टाइम नहीं चाहिए, इमीडिएट एक्शन होना चाहिए, तो उसके लिए रेडीमेड एंटीबॉडी प्रोवाइड की जाती है, दैट इज नोन एज पैसिव इम्यूनिटी. इन केस ऑफ स्नेक बाइटिंग में क्या होता है, इफ आवर बॉडी विल प्रिपेयर एंटीबॉडी अगेंस्ट द स्नेक venom, in this case that patient will be die. So anti-venom antibodies are provided in such cases, like in tetanus also, ready-made antibody provided to the particular patient to protect from the different types of diseases, or protect the patient in the snake biting cases, and such immunity is known as passive immunity. Otherwise, if your body will prepare antibodies against such conditions, that particular person or patient will die.